I will show you one config right now. Then I have already configured the service entry sheets. Okay. After that, what we will be doing is we will be running one external processing test cases and resource related billing as well, because in last session I have explained, but you haven't had practiced for the resource related billing and external services.
Yeah, so we will going to have one, and now we're going to do with SM03, right? That is what you will going to do.
Yes, SM03 and SM02 both.
Okay.
Yes, in the last session I said that service entry sheet configuration was missing.
Yes, sir.
So that I did, and periods are also. I'm just trying to show you where we can change the purchase requisition type in the orders. So the node maintenance and service orders in their procurement, here you can define what type of purchase requisition should be created.
Okay, so this is the configuration, right? This is what I was talking about.
Yes, this is.
Can you show me the path once, please?
Have a screenshot as well. This path is specifically for S4HANA. Okay, path might be different in ECC.
So it will be
node is same. You can select search for this node.
Define category and document. Okay, go inside. We have given this screenshot, right? Where have you given this screenshot?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Understood. Clear.
Okay. See, now I'm creating a work order. We will assign a service in there, and then we'll proceed with the service entry sheet.
Just one question I just missed out. Can you just go back and just show me once that where the service number is getting generated? Just once. I'll just miss. Not able to recall.
In a transaction AC01, last time we discussed here, in the transaction AC01, when we create a new service. Yeah, when we create a new service here, we can provide a test name, define the service category. Okay. Base unit of measure we used to define here AU. This is the system dependent. Okay. Now the service we have added the work order operation. Now I've defined the service inside. Once we save this, we have the purchase requisition generated. Okay. For this service, transaction is ML81N, updated in sheet. Okay. I'll just press the button create after entering the work order for the number. Okay. Enter test. Now here we will select the service selection. We can say adopt full quantity. If you want to have anything else, then it's a different quantity. Then you can provide a different quantity instead of clicking on the full quantity. Okay, so this is how we are getting the service created. Then we will be releasing this like acceptance. Okay, we will save this service entry sheet. The services will be posted. Okay, so services has been accepted. Now you can see that the document flow will get updated in the work order. See, we have completed the purchase requisition, we have completed the purchase order, we have completed the service entry sheet. Later then invoicing and the other things will be done by the MLT. Your process for external services has been completed here when we complete the service entry sheet. The costs are again updated in the work. Is this fine?
Yeah.
Okay, please practice for an external service order, external services. Do one test case for external.
But you are using SM02 only. Why not SM03?
SM02 is the order type. Okay.
Okay. Control key will be SM03.
Yeah, control key is SM03. We have defined two order types in system. One is revenue bearing. One is non-revenue bearing. Okay. In both the cases, the processing depends on the control key, not based on the work order. Okay.
Yeah. Fine. I think the material is not added.
No, in that case, that GL account is not.
GL account is not mapped. I mean, in the series.
Oh, sorry, cost element is not mapped.
Cost element, yes. I mean the GL number.
There are going to be hundreds of errors when you are working on the test system.
Oh, that's fine. You can use that. Are you using the same GL number when you are giving the external cost element? Yeah, previously that GL number can help. I think previously it worked.
No, I haven't checked that. I will just check it. For the other things, I will create a new order.
One question here. How these quantities are coming 1, 3, 2.0 from where it is picking?
Yeah, I'm also checking that right now. One is for the service product, the service which we have provided here. The other quantity is taken from the goods issue. this one, and another it is taken from the work center, which is that what
because it's supposed to take deep profile. Can you show me the deep profile one?
001, and this is the configuration. I've changed this.
And serial number.
So here it has taken the.
Can you go to quantity once? Can you go to quantity once? Click on service form 3
for the material, 20 hours for the service.
And now show me the sale order.
Sales order I will create. Created. This one was already created earlier. Now I've changed the configuration.
You have changed the configuration. What did you change exactly? Yeah.
Earlier there are two things defined for the same configuration set. So I removed one service, one from the materials. Okay.
But number 3 you have removed.
Number 2. Number 1 criteria is blank. So number 2 is removed. Z pump service. The criteria for the number 2 is removed. Okay.
Okay. Number 2. Why did you remove? What is the reason? Because of that cost element alignment issue.
Yes.
Now everything is based on the activity type there.
Yes.
Okay. So team, this is very, very important. That's why I am giving it. This is exactly what the issues we are facing couple of days before. So please,
no worries. See, I always suggest you to focus on the process. Why we are doing this thing? Why we are doing this thing? I agree that you ask all the questions. That is a very good thing. Okay. Once you are well versed with the process you are doing, then you can easily do. Yes, it will take some time. Even when I was a NAV for the resource related billing, it took me for 3-4 months to completely understand what resource related billing is. Even sometimes it took me 2-3 days to complete or to fix an error.
Yes. So it will take some time, but you have to focus on this because the major issue in this project comes from here only.
Yes. Okay. So you have done any external service processing?
I have done it.
Anyone other than him want to share their screen? Show me what they have done.
I think you share and you share today and you complete a whole flow of the external.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. I'm creating the service order. I have taken following this one, your service order 400155. So I have taken the control key as YBM1 and the service order type is SM02. Over here we have to change this to SM03 or?
Yes, change anyone to SM03.
Just a minute. Okay, it's external services. Okay, this will and remove the rest one, right?
No, press enter.
Material.
Okay, group material ZSERV.
Okay.
Purchasing group change to 002/1710. Press enter. Select the operation.
Here I have a question. Why couple go to the external? Click the tab. External tab. Yeah. Click where you been. External. Here, why the cost element is showing blank here?
Because it is going to be used with the external services, and external services will have the cost element at external services where you are going to define the service number. Okay, go in the service number, define the service in the same screen. Yeah, define the service.
Okay, we should enter.
Create a service. Go to this T code and create a service.
Go to AC01. You can create a new service.
AC01.
AC01 for America, C for China. Press create button. Create button. Yes. No. That is the internal number range. You don't have to define any name there.
That automatically will define.
Okay. Basic service, right?
Just select something and give the description.
We can enter in the mandatory activity number. What do you have to enter in the activity number? This one.
I'm just telling you that. Find in the chat %-1 that you have removed earlier.
You have removed it. That's why it is showing.
This will
AU.
Okay. This is the external service. Okay.
Yes. Enter the quantity, enter the block price. I will give you a cost element. You that.
Sorry.
There is the cost element. There is a place for cost element. Yes. This cost element. Yes. No. Check what. Rahul, can you just help him with the cost element? Or check from the previous document.
Just identifying one second. Mapping there 500 8000. Voltage message. Save the order. Again, go inside the order.
Go to cost once, internal cost. Here, go to operations once. Okay, you have put this, and based on that, these activities are SM, YM. This YM0, from where did it came? I mean, you have put anything, put?
Which one?
From where this?
These two?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have put.
Okay.
Yes, so he has added a service product.
So that's why I was just, okay, fine. Now go ahead.
Release the order. Release.
Release. Now first you put this settlement profile. Go to extra. Go to cost settlement tool. Yes. What way did we have? GL.
Yeah, GL account. Take GL.
GL account. Category GL. Category.
I will just give you the GL. Use this as the settlement receiver. Yes, press enter. Come back.
Full type.
Yeah, it's okay.
Full partial both you should have remembered all this when we are doing this. These are same things. And this settlement category is coming from the costing configuration.
You can release the order.
Yeah, now go in. Release. Right at the corner. Left hand corner.
This one. 1710.
Your partner 10. Is not as equipment is not assigned with all those things. That's why it is coming. Right, Rob?
Yes. 1000. Enter. Release it. Again, it will ask you to add a partner.
You have to add a partner here. Otherwise, your order will not be created. Go to partners tab. Go up. Sold to party.
Okay.
There is a tab.
Click on partner. Now click on partner. Put that partner.
Both of these sold to party and shipped to party, right?
It's okay. You put one, right? Sold to party. Otherwise, how will your order will create it after dictation? Now.
Yeah, it is released.
Now do the confirmation. Save it. Your requisition has generated it. Just check.
Go inside the order and see what is the purchase acquisition number in the document flow. So this is your purchase acquisition generated.
Okay.
Now go to copy this. Go to ME21N. Rahul, I'm just continuing. Just let me know. So it will be a revision for me. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
First expand first. What are you doing? That you will create a purchase order. Why are you putting that there? ME21N. Do it again.
No, I think it should be ME22. 21, okay, yes.
ME2, you will create a PO now. Yeah, now expand this item overview. Expand this below item overview. Now search, go scroll to your right. See the purchasing is there. Purchase requisition. Yeah, put it here. Now press enter. Yes, now enter the supplier. Rahul, can you give the supplier, please? At the top, supplier means vendor. At the top, Rahul?
Yeah, just enter the supplier number here. I will give you.
Yeah, just give the supplier.
1 second.
You can also put it when you are doing the external as well. Then it should have copied. Click on the header. See that all your purchase order number has been copied here. Try to understand the connection flow. Click on header. Header button.
Wait.
Header button. Go to org data. Can you understood? It is copying from there. You have put that information in the external tab. From there, it is getting copied from requisition to purchase order. Okay, understood. Now click on the item details. Click on conditions. See here, service PO has generated. Okay, and this is your service price that is picking up based on the MM calculation schema. Okay. Understood. Now save it. Check first. Check if there are any issues or not. Top at the top. Before hold.
Wait.
Hold. Sorry, after hold.
Wait. Yeah, messages.
Save.
No, save it.
Now ML81N.
ML, right?
ML81N. Create. Click on create.
Click on other purchase order.
Enter
Put the purchase order number.
Wait, I did not copy that.
No worries. Go to the work order. Go to IW33. Inside this IW33, enter flow. Copy the purchase order number. Double click here.
Double click and copy.
Yeah, copy this number.
Yes. Now create.
Okay. Now click on create.
Give a description, short description, IFF something.
Click on service selection.
Service selection.
Last bottom.
Service.
Press enter. Cell copy. No. There is a button in above copy services. No, the service. Yes, this one. This is for adopt services like copy services. Okay. Now you have the copy services. Now see. The status is showing no acceptance. It means the service synthesis sheet is not yet released. Okay, so release. There is a release button.
Accept. Yes.
Okay, now you can save it.
Wait. Now come back to, that's okay, it's done. Now come back to
It's accepted.
your
completed.
IW32. Go back one step, just go back one step. Click on document flow. Okay. It's created, go back, click on cost. Now you can see your actual cost has been transferred. 100, you have used 100, so 100
100 is
transferred.
coming. Yes.
But 100 is coming, just a minute. But here the 100 is coming on the stock material. It will be on the stock material. It should be on the external, right?
Yes, it should be in the external because the GL accounts are not allocated or view in the correctly in view profile.
It should be on the external. It should not be, because I think the cost categories are not been matched properly, right?
Yes. No, not the first category. Like whatever the GL accounts we define inside the stock material should come in the stock material. But in this system, we have some less cost element which are active and correct. So we are using.
That's fine. Can you have one request with this context? Okay, configuration is not correct. That's fine. I understood. Just show me the configuration related terms, so team will understand that from where it is not aligning properly.
Okay, 1 second.
Yeah.
I will
just take the share. Yeah. Team, please take a note.
Earlier, so
yeah, because for us it will be a learning. Like if it is incorrect, that is fine. No problem with that. I can understand it's a test system, but we can have a connective idea, and that is my main objective all the time, that we should connect.
Okay. In this controlling area, we used to define what all our value heads, value categories, where we define where we want to define those value categories here. Okay.
Yes.
Now we have done assignment of cost element to these value categories. We have defined this one here, this set here, and we have defined external services, only this settlement group. If anything comes for this settlement element, then it will come here. We check if this cost element is active. See, now when we have used the correct GL element, the external services has started to.
Okay.
In this system,
yes.
in this system, only this cost element is defined for the external services concept.
Got it. Yes.
Okay.
That is why it is not coming. Yeah. So
this is the basic settings, general order display cost. First,
can I just put the screenshot, please? It will be very helpful.
Fine. Hope this is clear.
Yeah. Apur, go ahead.
Go ahead and run with one case of resource-related billing as well.
Yes.
So that we can close both the things and proceed with preventive maintenance.
Apur, just one question here. So we will going to do the settlement first and then run the resource-related, or how the flow should?
No, once you tackle the order, you would just go to settlement, or you just go to the DP90 and the DP90. You don't need to have.
So now we'll take over the order, right? We have done.
Yeah, we are done with the set. You are done.
So after this,
settlement rule is already done, right? Just check. Yes.
Don't do this. Don't do for this order, because there is a mismatch of GL cost elements. So it will give you some.
You do it one more time. Apur, run a quick scenario quickly. Close this, create one more.
Now create SM02 order. I will guide you.
Keep on pitching spacebar. It will be easy. It will come quickly.
Yeah, that is what I'm doing. RES control keys.
What key you have used? Use SM02. Oh.
Hey, you know, ZaranTech now offers SAP corporate training. That's right. Train your workforce in SAP with our comprehensive program. We offer customized courses, certified trainers, and hands-on labs for both individuals and businesses. Our standout features: bespoke training, fully configured servers for practice, in-house materials, and a dedicated LMS. Plus, get session recordings and 24/7 support. From functional to technical modules, we have got it all. Choose ZaranTech for SAP training and watch your team excel. Learn, upskill, succeed with ZaranTech.
Use SM01 only. Use SM01 only. Don't go for external operation. In the operations tab.
Over here we have to use SM0.
SM01.
SM01, okay.
He is not telling you to do the external, do the internal one.
Okay, I have used SM01.
You have created task lists, right, Apur? You use my one, use my one. Go to operations. Go ahead.
Remove the SM02 operation. This was a reference.
Over here we have to use SM01 only, right, in the operations?
Yes. In the operation you have SM01 only.
No, story location will be this one.
171A.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go to the
Now
components tab.
this is internal. All done. Now you do one thing. You save the order.
Go to the component tab. Go to the
Yeah. Go to component. Put the component. Yes.
You have entered.
remove the first line, remove the second line, select both the lines and delete it.
Now create your reservation after this. Save it. Now go to Migo.
Now first you have to release the order, assign the settlement line.
I think he has done it, right? Go to Oh, I missed it. Sorry, my bad. Settlement, yes.
MGL, which you had provided earlier.
Yes. Release it. Go to the partner,
Add a partner.
No, it's fine.
Yeah,
it is added.
Done.
Added.
Okay, now go, Migo.
Remember.
First check in AMI. First check. You can just first check in AMI 20. Sorry, MMB the stock, and then from there it will be helpful for you to understand.
Yes, you can.
Go to MMB. Yes, check the stock. Put that material TG20 storage location and check the stock. Storage location.
Yeah, it will come. Yeah, it is there unrestricted.
Yeah. So you can see that there is already, since Rahul has done it, so the reservation is already there. So you can add more to it. Right, Rahul?
Yes.
No, this you have added 10 quantity, right? This order. What is this point? Sale order stock.
Reserved.
This is reserved.
All right. Okay, go to Migo. Yes. Now you select the drop down, purchase order drop down. You will select which one role? BR order, right? Second order, right?
Order and goods issue. First goods issue.
Goods issue.
Order.
Yes, order.
Enter the order number.
Movement type has already come. Okay. Now go to material and click on material. Put the quantity. Quantity is already there. Come down, scroll down, click on OK. Check.
In serial numbers.
Yeah, just continue.
Auto
you don't have to put anything, Rahul, right?
Create auto.
Yeah, auto. Yes. Check now. That's fine. Yeah, it is showing that it is already posted.
This is just a warning message. Post. Yes. Now go to IW. Now check MMB. Refresh.
Yeah, this is the refresh one only. Yeah, that has changed. The reserved one.
Change
from 25 to.
Okay. Now what are you going to do? Now you have to do the confirmation. IW41. Press enter. Yes. Now put the personnel. You have used this work center. This work center you have created.
No, I copied from.
Then select from the site. Continue. Double click. Okay. Now save it.
No, enter the number of work hours. You haven't added any work hour. Go to IW45.
45.
Cancel. Yes.
I should cancel this now. Okay.
Do it again. You got cancel.
Cancel.
It is printing now. Okay.
Save it.
Wait, it is frozen now.
It will work. Wait.
Again, why are you going to 45? 41.
No, it is actually okay.
Yeah. Okay. Come back.
It is printing this. Yeah.
No,
cancelled.
It was just updating. It was just updating the long text.
Now I should go to IW41.
Yes.
Here.
Actual
work and personal number.
Yeah. Now, okay. No remaining work. Nothing is there. So you are confirming clear the reservation. All done. And now save it. The cost is calculated. Now go to your MMB and check.
This won't update anything in MMB.
The reservation should be cleared, right?
Yeah, the reservation quantity will be clear. But we have already
Okay, now go to IW41. But the reservation quantity is still there, right? Oh, he has added.
This is for the other orders as well.
Okay, go to IW32. Open your order.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you go to cost. Now you can see their internal activity. Like you have given 10 hours, right? How many hours you have given? Yes.
10 hours.
Yeah.
10 hours. So multiplying with 100. Okay. So yeah, because it is there in your KP26, the actual fixed cost is 100. Understood? So based on that, it is coming in.
Okay.
So this is fine. Now we can do this and go do it. We can just a minute. Right now we can do this one, right, with the DP90.
First check with the order, then we can go for DP90.
Okay. Then click on that black flag. This is the date. Continue. The order is technically complete. So then now go to DP90. Yeah. Click on that. So you can see, I hope Apur, you understand, right? The form it is coming.
Okay. Now you can save
on this.
Okay. Don't just save it. Click on the billing request save.
Yeah, click on the billing request. Yeah, he knows it.
Yes. So now this has created your debit memo request.
Yes. Click yes.
Let me tell you two things here. What actually this is doing, this is just creating a invoice. Means this is helping you to create an invoice for your customer. So what actually resource related billing is? Resource related billing concept is being used at the time when customer asks us that do the process, we will give you based on the time and material. Okay, based on the concept of time and material. So you design such a process. And this process, what you define is you want to define time and material. So for the material, you define all the cost elements to the materials tab and all the cost elements for the times in a time tab. Okay, for the service products you have defined.
You go to ODP 0 where match
No, it was
ODP1.
ODP1.
Okay,
Yes. That's fine.
I will display only.
Yeah, go. Which one? Y1? First one, right?
Wait. Yeah, this is SM Rep 01.
No, deep profile. Which is the deep profile?
Second last, advanced execution.
Now this will be billing districts. So now this will
Let's
be
go to material determination. Material determination.
yeah. This is the material which is coming.
Now go one by one. The criteria.
Select the criteria. We have
So
defined
this
an activity
criteria
type.
against the activity type is maintained. Correct. 11 is maintained. You can see.
Yeah.
This activity type is in your work center. This activity type you get when you are creating the service order based on your work center. Understood?
Yeah.
Cost element is not there. Cost element error was coming. That's why you removed the cost element. It is based on the activity type. And one more configuration should be there, which I have seen, which is also there. Go to this order, show the item category, click on sales, click on sales, click on sales. Just asking. Yeah.
Yes.
Have you clicked on sales? No, that's fine. But one question, in here in this sale order, when we are creating, there should be an item category, right? That item category should be assigned with the deep profile, correct?
Item categories are not assigned with the deep profile.
Like if I just say, just 1 minute here and what is the order type here?
SN02.
Check the order type.
Yeah, DR1. It is a
Check the
debit
DR1 configuration. Debit memo request is fine. That means to have an item category, right? Go to item, just double click on the item, check the price. Yeah, this is the item category. L2W. Open this item category in VOV7. Scroll down. I'm talking about this configuration. This is required or not?
I'm not aware about this configuration.
Because you can see this deep profile here. Put F1 on this deep profile.
It will show you all those things what we have there. But I am not.
Yeah, actually, just close it. Put F1 there. F1, not F4. Because when I was checking the configuration that day, I found that because in some cases it was not used, some cases it was used. So that's why I was checking. So this is the tool where the system can summarize the data and then the sales calculation, resource related billing, or the data deep profile records. Anyway, fine. So that's what I just checked. Okay, fine then. Try to understand the control team. That is what I mean. More focus on the configuration. You can later also check if you forget one or two. But try to understand the control I was explaining there, because that is most important.
Control.
Yes.
Because all the configuration
business requirement. Yeah, configuration is. I'm just saying that where is how the flow is calculating, how it is flowing, how system is being designed. That things as per the business flow you need to understand. Okay.
So what's next? Should we start with preventive maintenance? Now two processes are left. Preventive maintenance, advanced repair. Have you seen the documents what I have sent you earlier?
Like you are saying the preventive maintenance.
So for the preventive maintenance for something, I've sent you the documents in the folders, training document and all those things. Have you seen?
I think that I just need one help. Like you have given the training document, that is fine. Like today the activity that we have done, right? Like this important configuration screenshots, like the path screenshots. So while you are doing it, so can we make an activity so that it will be easy for the team, because we are hitting the actual configurations which you want us to look into. So that will be easy, because yes, we can go ahead and find that out one by one. That can also be done. Yeah, this part I have checked till before preventive maintenance I have checked.
Okay, no worries. So what do you understand about the preventive maintenance?
Preventive maintenance is basically, in a layman concept, like it is maintenance activity. Like it is kind of a machine that is running in your factory, which is have maintenance plan, and based on the maintenance plan, it is working. So that is basically kind of a preventive maintenance. I don't have a much idea on this.
Okay. So what actually a preventive maintenance is, it's a kind of process which is determined for a regular service or maintenance of any of existing machinery or any machinery which has been sold to your customer to avoid any mishappen in the given coming future. Just for example, we have cars we own some cars or we own some vehicles and we want a periodic maintenance on those vehicles so that we should be having no problems at the time when we are running them. Okay. So this is just an example of preventive maintenance. So there are 4 or 5 kinds of preventive maintenance which we will be studying. Okay. So what could be measured in the preventive maintenance? It could be number of days. What according to you can be measured?
Number of days, or based, like if a car is there, we can have conditions like up to 1 lakh kilometers or 1 year, this kind of conditions, like time based.
Okay.
Performance based, like up to 1 lakh kilometer, this way.
Okay. And the third one says that either of them, both.
Yes.
Just like nowadays we are getting in the car warranties, like first service will be done either at the 10,000 kilometers or within 6 months.
Yes.
Okay. Either or conditions, they all are mentioned here. Now understand what is a call object. Call object is something which is being created and the technicians are working, planners are working on those call object. For the term of preventive maintenance in SAP, work orders and notifications, they both are known as the call object. Okay. Here, this is a transaction IP01. Based on the type of plan we are working on, it will automatically define, means what you define, it will automatically identify what kind of plan we are creating. Okay. So if we want to define service, let's say service test system. So what we will be defining 1 month, or every month you want contract. So we have defined first call object that every 30 days, every month you should be having a one service for this functional location. Okay. Plant defined, notification type defined, work center we will define right now.
Okay.
Here we can add task list if we want. Okay. Second, let me find the data. Configuration we will discuss later, no worries. But in the case of single cycle plan, what we are doing here is we have created one plan. Cycle defined, 1 unit, 1 month, 1 per month. Assigned 1 equipment, details provided. Okay. Task list has also been assigned. So these are all are the operations in the task list. We will discuss this later. Now see start of the cycle. We've given the start of the cycle. Okay. Now the scheduling part, we have IP10 transaction. So what happened here? We have got 1 month call. We have added things for 1 month. Okay. What system has given me? System has given an immediate call for this and the next call for this dates. This is the plan date. This is the call date. Call date is something on which the maintenance work order or the maintenance notification will automatically get generated. Okay. We will be running some batch jobs in our system. Okay. I will give you that as well. Every day they will run, they will find for all the maintenance orders. And if the call date lies and the system date matches, then on that day, a work order will get generated.
Okay. So here, okay, so you are assigning the notification type there. So right now for this, a notification will generate, not a service order.
Yes. See, from here, you can simply see here. Notification is generated already.
So go back, from where did you search?
Display call object.
Okay. Display call. Okay, understood. And service order is on the same place because you're saying notification or work order.
Sorry, come again.
You are saying either notification or you can directly create a work order also. So work order is also same instead of notification type will assign the work order type.
Correct. For that, you have to define these things. These are the nodes which are defined here. That nodes we need to define. We want to do.
Okay. These are SO. Okay. If we select SO.
I'm only not sure why the few things are not showing. I will check them as well today. Why the service order SO is not showing. OC, service order agreement, it's not showing.
Okay, anyway, I understood. Yeah, from there it is coming.
1 second.
And can you just go back there once?
1 second, please.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, got it. See, in the case of service orders, we always used to define sales document. Okay, we have added outline agreement here. Outline agreement, when we are adding outline agreement at that time, the transaction for the creation of things is different. Means you can create maintenance plans for the service orders and the service notifications with outline agreement. You will have to use this. What is the outline agreement? Outline agreement is just the sales document.
No, I'm a bit confused. Like you are saying that service order with outline agreement. This one we need to select.
Yes, that what I'm saying earlier. Now I've changed the configuration number. So we are starting with service orders. Let's see. We will define SM01 order type here.
So it is automatically creating on the background based on the configuration. Then why do we need a batch job?
Batch job is triggering the order. I will tell you that. See what IP10 is doing. IP10 is creating the order. So what we are doing is we are running the IP10 as a batch job.
So you're running IP. Okay, all right. Yes. Yeah, what I need is that what are the variants that you are putting there? That is the only thing that I just want to understand.
The transaction which we create batch job is IP30. Okay. So this is the name of the batch job, Resta 20, and the transaction for the Resta 20 is IP30. So what you will be doing is you have some plans like you want to run this for the complete system. You can give a star. Okay. You can put 1 day. Okay. And you just save a variant here.
1 day means
1 day for if you run it as if you run it as a blank, then it will create orders for up to 1 year or up to the next call dates.
Okay, understood.
Okay.
Understood. Got it.
Okay. This is how we define our batch jobs in here.
Yeah.
We have defined 1 month here. Now start listening carefully because things are going to twist in every next beat. The things will start to twist. 1 month means 30 days. Okay. As per SAP system, 1 month is 30 days. For a better clarity, I will be starting things from 0101 2024. Suppose I have defined 365 days. Okay, 1 year. This is the free scheduling period. We have defined the scheduling period for 1 year. So the plan will work only for 1 year unless it is further scheduled.
Okay.
When I click start, the start of the cycle date can take in with the startup date.
Go scroll up.
Yes, see it.
No, okay, this is. But then since this months have been elapsed, so that's why the call date is showing blank, right?
Yes. Call date is not showing blank, but this will see when we are getting this kind of a screen, we are getting new start, save to call, save to call, save to call. Wherever it is written save to call, when you save, then these number of work orders will already get created upon save. So the thing here is not this I want to explain you. I wanted to explain you that if we create backdated calls, okay, if we create backdated call, provide a backdated date, then system will start creating the orders from that date. Okay. And now one more thing. System is considering 30 days. System is considering 30 days for everything.
Yeah, understood. Yes.
So see that February month is already wiped off. Okay. Now the thing is 01 is there, 02 is there, 03 is there. So the thing is completely ruling by the field time. So for this field, time, scheduling indicator is set as time. Okay. When this indicator has been set for time, then in that case, what will happen? System will uniquely consider 30 days for 1 month. Okay, we have defined 1 month. System will initially contain 30 days as a 1 month and provide the next calls. Fine. Okay. I am not saving this. I will just change few things and we'll rerun this. Now we will see time key date. What will happen when we are running time key date? Let's see. As per you, what will be the happen? What will happen? Key date means first date is fixed. So what it should take?
The first date then no idea.
Okay. So in that case, system will in that case, system will rearrange the orders and take the next date. Okay. And the month is date will always be same. Like see, 0101010101 for every month is fixed. Okay. I will explain again everything because I know that preventive maintenance is something which requires extra time. Okay. Try to just learn out few things out of it. I will surely explain again everything for the preventive maintenance, every point.
No,
Okay.
here my question is like
Yes.
this. Can you go to that plan? Just click on the plan.
Yes.
So here you have stated time plus key date. Time is if you consider time and scheduling by 360, it is taking as the month. Okay. Now the thing is that this time and this one, all those things are based on this factory calendar, right?
No, not on the factory calendar. Factory calendar is the third part. Time factory calendar when we consider that.
Okay. So now why I'm saying, because if you are selecting this time and date, so as suppose next month, suppose this month first it has taken, next month first maybe a weekend, then how it will happen? It will give that date only?
See, when we are using key date, then system is not going to consider the holiday because factory calendar is not punched in the order at that time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So time is 365 days. If it is time, then it will give an interval of 1 month. And if it is time plus key date, then it will going to consider only first date of the particular month, and it will continue like that. So that's what I have understood. Correct?
Wrong.
Okay.
I will show you again something. Cancel. Let me give you a live example for a few things. Suppose you own a car. Okay. And you want the car service yearly. You have a one car and you want a car service yearly done. This is just something which is going to be same for every plan. Fine.
No, this is okay. This one is.
Now you want your car service to be done for next 5 years. Okay. Starting 1st January 2025. So either of the scheduling indicator needs to be chosen. Okay. If you use time, okay, if you start every time 1 year is 365 days, so all the services will be generated on first. Now there comes a leap year in the picture. Okay, 2028 is coming as a leap year. So one day has been created as an extra date. So what system has done? System has considered 2 calls for the same year after creation of after 365 days. Okay, so now as per these scenarios, system has generated few call dates. Okay, but these dates are not aligned. Now you want a call to be every on 1st January of that year every time. Okay, at that case you will be using key date. Let me save this. Now if I say key date, so when we have this key date, then what system has considered? System has considered the plan dates and the call dates to be in sync with 1st of January. Hope you get this.
Just a minute. No, this one not bit clear because I'm a bit confused. Like if I consider 5, line number 5. So here, plan date is on 26th 2026, 1st of January, and call date is these two difference I cannot able to understand specifically.
Leave that difference. I'm not talking about call date anything. Okay. We move to the call date later on. Okay.
Achha. So which part only we need to focus on the plan date?
Currently, we are focusing only on the plan date. Plan date is the actual work date.
Okay, yeah, got it. This one I have understood, the actual work date. So it is all putting in the same date of January.
Okay. And if we change few things here, so then what I'm saying that if we put time, okay, and we schedule it again, start, delete, then what system is doing? System is giving you the dates with the difference of 365 days. Got it? Okay. See, check view only plan dates. Do not view call dates. Okay. We are not doing anything with the call dates right now. We are only interested in the plan date right now. Okay.
Just a minute. So 2028 is a leap year, so it is giving 31st.
Yes. So after giving first call here, system calculated that 365 days again will happen on this day. And after this call, again 365 days will completed on this day. Okay. Let's see one more thing. If I say 10 years, then there will be 13 years. Then there will be 3 leap years beside this. Okay, 3 to 4 leap years. See what all the changes are coming. You start, delete. Okay, see. Only focus on plan date, call date. We will discuss once the plan date is over. So until a leap year has been come, the date is 01. Once the leap year has arrived, the date has been changed to 31st. And the dates are still going on to the 31st until the next leap year came. The next leap year came, the dates just went again 1 day shorter because
1 day shorter.
Completed. Okay. Now again when a leap year came.
So each and every leap year, each and every 2 leap year, 1 day minus. That is what the case.
This is only for this case. But what I'm trying to explain here is if we consider scheduling indicator as time, then it will consider the predefined system settings that 1 year is 365 days, and after the 365 days, a new plan will get generated. Okay. So what will happen in the same case if we select time and key date? Time as a key date. Okay. Time as a key date, the key date is defined based on the entered start of the cycle value. Okay. If you entered is 10 on 10 and 10 as a date, then you will get 10 as a date. Okay. Let's see, I'm giving a new start of a deletion of all the activities. Now, irrespective of any leap year or anything, system is considering key date. Means 1st of January of every year will be this thing. Okay. Now the call date, everyone is clear with plan date. Any questions?
Yes. No, it's fine. Anybody, team? All clear? Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So let's discuss with call date. What is the call date? What is the call object? Call object is notification and service order. So what will be the call date? The creation date of the notification or the service order for the plan date is known as the call date. This is the date when which a service order or a notification will be getting generated for the plan date. Currently, we have not defined any parameter for this. So it is saying that on the first call date, the first service will get generated before a year. Means if the service has to be done in 2026, the call will get generated before 1 year because this is a yearly call. Okay, the same it is going.
So come this statement again, please.
I'm just coming on the statement again. Read this.
Okay. Yeah. Like it is saying that if I'm selecting time.
What sets ZaranTech apart in SAP corporate training? It's our unique blend of expertise and innovation. We offer customized courses tailored to each client's needs, ensuring relevant, targeted learning. Our vast trainer database brings you wisdom from the best in the field. Need resources? Access our extensive training material repository anytime. We are all about measurable results, providing detailed student metrics to track progress. And we don't just teach, we build community. Join our thriving social media network, connecting learners beyond boundaries. With ZaranTech, you are not just training, you are transforming your SAP expertise.
Time and key date. So it is, suppose key date I am giving from 1st of January 2024. So it is and I've given say 10 years. So it will pick that key date for each and every year. And after creating the key date, the time when the object is getting generated, either the service order or the maintenance order. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now let me correct you one thing. See,
yes.
Plan date has been determined based on this. Okay. Now, this whatever we are going to do here has no relation with scheduling indicator. Okay. Scheduling indicator is responsible for the plan dates. Only when you want a date to be generated, plan date to be generated at a 30 days interval, or if you want a particular key date on a plan. Okay. These two fields are only responsible at that time. Now, when we are moving to the next thing, then we are not, then this thing is not correlated with this. Okay, let me explain you few things. So when you purchase a air conditioner mostly, and you receive key notifications over the messages that your service is due, get your service completed, your free service is due, get your services completed. Hope you, any one of you, have received such kind of messages or calls.
Yes, yes.
So how that works, the day you get that call is the call date. How so? Why I'm saying that? Schedule. Okay, so your service is due for, 1 second. I will use IP02. What will be the best example? Take it 90%. Okay. So the last date for the first, do not think about anything. We are just talking about this line item. Okay. So you have bought a car, you have bought air conditioner on 1st of January 2025.
Okay.
Okay. From that day, AMC has been, annual maintenance contract has been started. Okay. Your last date for completion of the service is 01/01/2026, or it could be 31st December 2026. Let's say here plan date is 2026. So as per the AMC contracts, it is 1st of January 2026. Before that date or on that date, your car must has been serviced. Otherwise, your service will get expire. Okay.
Okay.
So when you want that service to be generated, or when you want a service call to be triggered to the customer to intimate them that your car or your air conditioner is due for service. That
Okay,
is the
now
call.
I got it. So it is basically call date is basically plan date, the date when the service is actually occurring, and call date is basically it is previous to that date. Like I am
Yes.
getting a notification because my date is arriving. That's why I'm getting that notification.
Correct.
Okay.
Again,
Yeah,
one
got
more
it.
time. Again, one more time. In a one more simpler example, out of these two dates in SAP, the order or the notification will get generated on this date,
Yes.
not on this date. This date will be
Yeah,
there
of
in the
course, because
basic start.
that is when the activity will take place. That is the plan date. But when you are actually getting the notification, because I've been notified 1-2 months before to that, prior to that. So my
Yes.
notification is keep on coming.
Yes. In
Now tell me
SAP
one
system.
thing, like,
Yes.
yeah, one question, like you have put 90% as the horizon date, and what I read from that it is saying that it is the time span from the plan date. So this 90%, like here I am giving 11/2026, and the call date is 11/26/2025. That is on November, and this is on January. So how this 90% is getting calculated?
Okay. So this 90% is getting calculated based on, 1 second. We have set call horizon here. Okay.
Yes.
Call horizon is determining the 90% time of 1 year. 1 year we have 365 days. Okay. 365 days. Assuming 36 days as a 10%, 365 minus 36. Okay. So the date, so the first call will get generated based on that date only. Okay, we haven't saved.
365 minus 36. Okay, all right.
1 second, I haven't saved that. It is saved. Okay, minus 30, minus that time. So as per very standard or very best practice, 90% is being used for, you can say, more than 50% of the projects. 90% is used. Okay. And in most of the cases, they use 100% as well. 100% as well means the plan date and the call date will be same. It will get created on the same dates. Okay. This is just like when you want the system to give you a pop-up or generate a call notification for you.
Understood. And
Now,
one question here, maybe that is here, is this all this, like, suppose I'm just trying to match up with the real time scenarios, like I am getting multiple number of notification for my car service before the prior date. Okay. So here, is it possible like to create multiple notifications for this same activity?
No, I was just giving you an example. This was not actually a business process. I will give you that business process now. 1 second. Now what I'm doing is I will just release this call. Okay. We will release this call. the order will get generated. Okay, so this order has been created. This is the start date. Okay, when we were creating when the order is created automatically, at that time system will say the date, call date, what we are seeing there will be available here. So the business process here suggests for the plan, a order or a notification will be created in SAP system on the call date. Okay, now the maintenance planner is assigned to that notification or the orders. Now it's maintenance planner's call to give you the pop-up for the notifications in your mobile applications. There will be, I will tell you one more thing here. This is a planning board for them. Okay, this is a planning board for them. They are not going to create the notifications or the orders. So what they will do, they will run this board daily, find out that these are the notifications, these are the open orders, these are the open orders, and they want them to process. So what they will do, they will simply click on these orders, and based on some custom programs, they can go for sending you a message or sending you a pop-up. Or again, a batch job can be created for all these open orders.
Open orders, and that we can customize. Okay, yeah.
Until you accept the service. Once your service has been accepted or you have accepted the service, okay, then the order will get and rest of the process.
We can customize that it can got released. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
So we can directly release from here.
Yes, you can release from here, and it can automatically be released. So I will write down a few things for you.
Yeah, just put the T code and the scenario.
Everything is there. So what maintenance plans are going to do for you? Okay. So you have got a car. Again, I am explaining this. So you have purchased the car on 1st Jan 2024. Okay. You have got a yearly service that every year for 5 years, yearly services for 5 years. So when you will be getting service, if your system has generated a time indicator, okay, scheduling indicator is time, then your first service will be on 1st Jan 25. Again, 1st Jan 26, 1st Jan 27, 1st Jan 28. And again, if it is a leap year or something, 365 days has been appeared, then it will be 31st December 2028. This is the concept when we are using time indicator. 5 services were given to you. The 5 automatic services has been planned in their database that they have to provide you 5 services. Okay. Now to avoid bulk orders generated beforehand in their system, they used call horizon. This is the concept of call horizon. If I say 90%, then this all the 5 services will not get generated. Okay, means this will be just like spamming your own database, generating of 5 orders for the next 5 years. So call horizon comes into the picture and says that, okay, we will generate your order before 1 month. So the system will create order on. System will create the order on. Maybe I am not on the exact dates. Maybe in December or maybe in November. 36 days, 7 at 25th November 2024. Okay. So the first order will get generated on this date based on the call horizon. This is the plan date. This is call date. So based on every time, the call will get generated on the same dates, on the next dates. Here 2025, here we have 2026 and something like that. Okay, this is when we have the scheduling indicator time. If we have the scheduling indicator key date, then the same will happen. Only the thing is 1st of Jan 29, and the indicator will always be same here as well, 25, 26, 27 and 28, so on. Okay, hope this is clear.
Yeah, this is clear.
Again, repeating once, you purchased a car from Maruti. Maruti said that for 5 years we will be giving you free service. Every year we will be giving you one service. Either it will be taken in between or it could be taken on before the end date. The end date for the first service is days. Okay, because you bought a car on 1st of Jan. Okay, so when they will notify you, if you can come to them before these dates, that is fine. You called Maruti Suzuki and said that in October, now my car needs a service. provide me the first free service. They will happily do that. Okay. The next thing is, if you haven't come to them, if the call horizon has been set in Maruti Suzuki for 90%, then they will start notifying you on 25th of November. Okay. On or after the 25th November, that your free service is pending. You can avail your free services up to this date. Okay. Their system will get their system and the database will be updated with the new order. A service order or a service notification will get generated on this date. This is the call date. Okay. So we discussed about call horizon, 90 days. If we set the call horizon for 50%, then let's see what will happen in the system. Okay. So we have got the July month. The call will get generated in July. Okay. Do you got anything or you have still questions? Don't worry, your questions are fine. Don't worry, every question is fine. Don't think that the question is going to be some wrong question or a foolish question. Questions are never be foolish. Just ask me again and again if you have any problem in the call date and plan date. So now what I did is I have added the call horizon as 100%. If we set it 100%,
same dates will going to come.
Yeah, same dates will be identified. That the plan date and the call date is on the same date. This is usually done when we are working on plant maintenance and working on those devices which cannot be shut down for a day. Means some assembly lines. Maintenance over the assembly lines is usually processed on the call date and the same plan date, because these machines are their owned properties. Okay, and they don't have to visit any customer for that.
Right.
And also I've seen the 100% call horizon is being used for the airport operations.
Okay. Yeah, that is also an internal activity, right?
Yeah, that is again an internal activity.
Have you put that T code where we have the mass service order, open service order? This T code, yeah.
That is just the report. I have already.
Yeah, that report only.
Yeah, I will again provide IW38 report for orders, change mode. Okay, do one thing. Start creating a single cycle plan. Means the thing which we were discussing is a single cycle plan. Create a single cycle plan, schedule a single cycle plan.
I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
Let me know if you can see. Can you help me with the T code, please? IP01, right?
IP01. Yes. 1 second. You have not.
I'll create with the service order.
1 second.
This strategy will tell later, right?
Use service notification, service order with outline agreement, or service notification with outline agreement. Yes.
Service notification with outline agreement.
Okay. Number
We are saying range.
Okay. Use service orders.
Why it is saying? Because the number ranges is not configured.
Yeah, number range is missing for that category. Your categories are also not showing. Just go to the options screen.
Which one?
Options here. 1 second. I will share my screen. Like in my screen, the keys are showing, but in your screen, keys are not coming. I will tell you how to fix that. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see.
See, in IP01, when I am doing this, I can see the keys and OPM, all these. These are the categories.
Okay.
This is just this. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to just go to the options here. Okay. Here. Yeah. Controls. Show keys within the drop-down list. Click on this.
Okay. Like which one here? Branding.
Interactive. Interaction design. Scroll. Next one. Yeah. Keyboard settings. Keyboard. Visualization one. Yeah. Show keys with drop-down. Yes. Apply. Save. Okay. Rerun the transaction. Will come. That's coming. Okay. So use C. Enter.
Now, just want to ask you one question. Yeah. This you will going to tell later, right? Because I have been studying this one, so that's why.
Yes. For C. And what for maintenance plans, there are multiple transactions to create work order or the call object. Okay. This is the common transaction IP01 for creating every kind of maintenance plan. Okay.
And what is this multiple center?
Multiple counter. That is the fourth category of plan. Multiple counter plan.
Means what?
That is going to take into the conditions, like if you want to create a service at the time when the 6 month has been completed or 10,000 kilometers has been done.
Okay, we'll see this later.
That will be see later. Currently, we are working only on this. So if you want a particular T code, then the T code particular is IP41.
Okay, you will cover that, right? So later
you can use IP41 only. for single cycle plan.
Okay, then I'll use that.
Okay, yeah, this is for the single cycle plan. But what I have given you earlier is for all the plans can be created from there.
Okay. Okay. So the strategy and all those things you will going to come later when you go into the next session.
See, there are 4 kinds of plan what I mentioned in our sheet. Single cycle plan, strategy plan, counter plan, performance based counter plan, and then we will be having multiple counter plans. Okay.
Okay. So cycle unit will be in hours, right? Maintenance.
Unit is was for for suppose you want every order to be created in a 24-hour or 1 hour, you can do so.
No, what will be here? Like cycle unit, what will be like? Okay, cycle unit is in what are the cycles that you are creating this order?
Correct. If you want an order to be created every day, then 1 day. If you want an order to be created every year, then 1 year.
So here I will going to place that unit, right?
Yes.
So for 1 year, what will be the unit?
Why?
Okay. Here I can give a text.
No. Here is you need to enter one number, 1 year. Enter a equipment or function location.
Yeah, I'll put my equipment.
Team, this topic is a bit difficult. Please ask as many questions as you have. Do not hesitate. Provide the order type.
Here I can put any order type, SM01, 02, whatever.
Yes.
I'll create a task list.
No, that is for the creation.
Oh, that is for the creation.
The search option is here. Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to go for the scheduling.
Yes.
So I'll put 90 and here I'll put days, like I'll put the cycle date. If I put the cycle date as today's date and day I can here instead of 365 I can put other days also. Like if I put say 100 days.
See, the thing is, as we usually say as a best practice, we have taken cycle as 1 year. Okay.
No, my question is if I take 100-day system will calculate, right?
Yeah, that we can also do. But the best practice, what I'm saying is, we have taken our cycle as 1 year.
Like I have seen for the governments, this kind of maintenance plans been worked where there's a 100-day job, so they select 100 days. That's what I'm doing.
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm saving it.
Okay.
41. Now where shall I go? Next record.
IP10.
Start. So it has given me. Okay, I have not selected the number of years. So it by default given me.
No, you have selected 365 days, which means 1 year. So again,
1 year.
It has given you a call date for the next year. And based on the call horizon, it has decreased 36 days.
But I have selected today's date, but it has given a call date of next year. And call date 9:30, and this is the plan date when it will going to happen 365. Okay, yeah, clear. Yes.
Okay.
And I have selected only one, that's why 1 year plan has come.
No, because we have selected 365 days. That's why it is coming. If you select,
if I selected year, then it will be 13 years, 14 years.
Yes. If you select 999 days.
Yeah, if I go back to.
Yeah, it's okay. Go back and change. IP41. This is for strategy. Now for change mode, you have to go IP02.
Change mode.
Change mode. IP02.
42, right?
No, IP02. Your plan number is 216.
Can you tell me the table? I forgot the number that I created.
Table is MPLA.
MPLA. Have you mentioned the table name? Please mention the table name also.
Okay. I will mention the tables and reports.
There will be YR, right?
Yeah, YR.
I put date and time. Yes. Okay. Clear. Now I'll save it.
Okay.
I'll save it, right?
Yes, you can save.
If I undo it, it got deleted.
Right.
Everything is gone. Now I'll go back to IWIQ. Where can I get my service order?
Service order is not yet created. Go to IP10.
Yes.
Okay. Here, everything is on hold. Why so? Call date is of future. Select the first line. Select the first call. Yeah, put a release. This is a manual release. Need to be done at the time when call date is for future. Okay. Save it. Save, an order will get generated. Okay. Go
here
inside.
Only. I'll check. Where can I check?
Yeah. Select the line and click on display. Our display is the release button in the last line of the release. Have this one. So this is your order.
All of them has come. But my cost is not updated.
That I know. There is some error in the question.
Okay, fine, understood. That's okay.
That we will see further. We have to create settlement rule,
Okay,
when to have the other automatic release, everything we will.
automatic
Just first
release
see that-
and settlement rule also, right?
Yes, that is all the part in the single cycle plan which is not yet completed.
Okay.
Okay.
Like you will going to see, like if we have to automatically release, then obviously the settlement profile needs to be there. We cannot put it manually. So that you will show how to do it.
Go to IP01, create a plan or change a plan, change your existing plan. IP02, change your existing plan.
IP01 or IP02.
To change your plan, scroll. You see that there is a name settlement rule. Click on create. Okay. Create the settlement here. Once you assign a settlement here, then it will get copied. SDI settlement.
SDI, right?
Yes. Okay. You can have the order number or sales order number. I will ping you the sales order number.
Okay, give me the number. You can tell me. I'll just put it here.
Send 4 5 times 0 3 1
3, right?
3 1 3 and 1 space
Sure.
space.
Oh, acha. Yeah, tell me.
0001. No. In the same place, give a space and 0001.
Does not exist. It is saying
0001.
Okay. Enter a valid object.
1 second. Let me exact copy paste. Here it is. Just copy paste. 10.
Last one, right?
Yes, last one.
Here again, it is saying enter a valid object.
It's ODI. You have taken wrong ODI. It's SDI. Yes. Press enter. Fine. Press enter. Come back.
Save it. Now I'll go to begin. Let me release this one. I have to save it, right? Oh, but why this call date has not generated?
Call date is already skipped when you clicked on the release. Do one thing. Select the third line item and click on release. Yeah. Okay. So once you release, the call date will disappear.
We'll save.
Yeah. Now 2 orders will get generated. Select anyone. Copy the order number. Go to IW32 and from there we will see the order. /n. Okay. Press enter. Okay. Do one thing. Go for cost calculation. Now you can see that order has a status CSER. When you working on this order in a logical system, then this will give you errors. Okay. CSER means costing error.
Okay.
Okay.
No, I have understood.
Okay. Just above the SM01 written, there is a calculator maintained. Just click on that calculator. It will redetermine the cost. Okay. Press enter. Go to edit and logs.
Edit
top. Go to. Not on edit. Go to the log cost determination. So this is the error. Do no control record for the activity type in version 7 activity planning. And so this is the error. Okay.
But activity type 11 has come, right?
If that has been come, I will check the work center if there is anything I can fix.
Work center, no. Work center, I think I have maintained a different thing, I think.
Okay, that's why it is giving you error. 1 second, let me check the work center.
Yeah.
Based on those, you can GIFF. So the scheduling is not maintained.
Just share your screen and show me.
1 second. Like that. What was the work order number?
It is 4001164. Why did you change the date? I mean, because of the date it is coming.
Not sure. Okay. The date here is 2027. Okay. And
okay.
In KP26, the planning value for these dates has not been defined. The fiscal year 2027.
I think form will be 1 till 12, I think. Here the variable price. The price is not there. Fixed price.
No price could be determined for internal activity base.
This one.
Maybe I will check.
We can check this. Why it is not. Actually, I was doing the third line, so we are doing on the second line. That's right.
From period 1 to 12 to fiscal year 2028. Now I think it's okay. I will check this today.
Yes.
Okay. This is some CSER error for the costing.
Costing again.
Yes. Any questions until here? Any plans or anything?
We'll see the configuration.
We will see the configuration.
This is one line configuration. You can just give us the screenshot of this. Yes. You have given.
This is just one line configuration here.
Yeah, just give a screenshot of this.
This configuration must be available in.
And to Zaran team, whatever the screenshots that are given in this chat, can you just pull that screenshots and put it in a Word file in your share folder? And the notification maintenance is also not there. Okay, just ask them to put it on a Word file and put it there.
Okay.